Hope you enjoy your tour. Please call 641-932-7796 with any questions. Beautiful spacious ranch home, combination brick siding with 2-car attached garage, paved drive and extra lot. With extra negotiable west lot, this property has 1.17 acres in town with town amenities. Very well built home, nice oak woodwork, wood fireplace, large family room. Newer 12 by 24 storage shed stays. Main floor laundry. Newer Dura-ceramic tile in kitchen, dining, laundry. And in all 3 bathrooms. Full basement includes large family room plus two more bedrooms, 1 non-conforming, and full bath.